check I saw champagne in my mood. I get a girl from the ghetto.
So good evening everyone. If you are with me, please kindly drop a message. So I know you are with me. Just comment. Just drop a message. So I know you are with me. If you are with me, please drop a comment. Let's go. Let's go. Drop a comment. Good evening. I'm seeing Boluwatife, and I'm seeing Moyosore. Okay, I can be. I'm seeing Oyedika. So I think we have 9 people with us. So how have you guys been? You can just drop your experience with Tema Foundation. How it has been. Just drop your experience and your general how you have seen Tema Foundation, and anything you don't like about us, you can also drop it. Just drop it on the comment section. So I'll send you the form, the Google form now. Let me post it in the comment section. The link to the Google form. I'll post it there, and from there now you can just drop your attendance, and so we know people that attended the live session, because we don't want to have a situation whereby we'll do the live session and people not attend. So let me drop the link now. I'm coming. Okay. So I'm dropping the link now. So from there you can just okay, I'm dropping the link in the comment section. So you can just go there and just click the link, and maybe that after the class, yeah. So how are you guys? You can just okay. Bolu Ative said that Tema Foundation has been great. Hope you are not whining us. Okay, we have 14 people now, so we can get down to business. So the Microsoft Power BI course, this course, the course that you are going to do now is a very great course. You understand? It's a course that I have done, and many people have done. And one of the benefits of this course is that it is a course that is being taught by like it is this thing that taught the course. Microsoft themselves, the creator, the owner of Power BI, the people that created Power BI, they are the one that created the course. So you are going to learn from the people that created the course. So if you are very serious with this program, I'm promising you that you'll be creating dashboard that people will just, if they see it, they will wish they can create it. You understand? So if they see, they wish that they can create this stuff. You create great things. You will teach how to, from the course, you learn how to use Excel, you learn how to use Power BI, and we'll also teach you how to use SQL. So let me show you what the course will look like. So this is the course. Can you see the course? I know that most of you have applied, and I'm telling you this now. If you did not apply for this, if you didn't apply, you will not be able to do the course. You understand? Because everything that we're going to teach you is going to come from this course. You understand? And the course, I think it has 8 different chapters. Sure, you get it has 8 different chapters. And you can see they are showing that they told you that the course will take 5 months. But this course now we are going to finish it in 3 months, because some of the things, when you start doing this course now, some of the content there, they expect you to finish it in a month. But the way we are going to do it is that we are going to finish some of those contents in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depending on how long the contents are. Shey you understand? So that being said, let me show you. Let me share my screen. So you see what the course will look like when you want to do it. Coming. So can you see my screen now? If you can see my screen, just comment if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, just comment. So this is the course. This is the course that you'll be doing. You understand? This is the course. So let me show you. Once you apply for your financial aid and it has been accepted, once you get to the home page, this is what you're going to see. So any course that you are doing, it will show here. You can see it is showing that it will show learning. Once you go to my learning now, you understand? Once you go to my learning, you see the courses that you have applied for here. You understand? You see all the courses that you have applied for. You can see them here. So from here now, you can now access the course that you are doing. But for you that you are doing the Microsoft Power BI course now, let me go to the page of the Microsoft Power BI course. So let me go to the home page. Sorry. So let's go to the home page of the course. So once you get to the home page, this is what you are going to see on the home page of the course. This is what you are going to see. So you can see that I've already enrolled for the course. You know that I am a data scientist majorly, but I want to, like, you know that once there's one adage, you will never get satisfied and you never stop learning, because in this data field we have more than data science. We have data analysis, we have data science. So as a data professional, one of the things that you do is that you continue learning. No matter how good you think you are, once you can't provide value for the company you are working for, you might be displaced. Shey you get me? So you will keep on learning. Shey you get? So because you see that the thing is showing that I'm learning some courses, that's how it is o. As a data professional, you continue learning. That's just the reality. So let's go to the course. So this is what the home page of the course will look like. You understand? They will show you, if you scroll down, you will see all the courses here. So the first course that we're going to do is preparing data for analysis with Microsoft Excel. So the first thing you're going to learn how to use is Microsoft Excel. So this is the course. So let's go to the course. Let's go to the course. So I'm coming. So this is how the once you have been given the course now, this is how the home page will look like. You understand? This is how it will look like. And once you get your certificate from here, you will see your certificate here that you can easily share to potential clients and anybody that is going to employ you. You understand? But that's not what we are talking about today. So for your week one, what you are going to learn in the week one, they will teach you introduction to the program, then they'll teach you preparing data for analysis with Microsoft Excel. Then you learn preparing data for analysis with Microsoft Excel. You shall learn about Excel. The week one and the first course there is all about Excel. All you will learn here is just Excel, Excel, Excel. You learn how to clean data with Excel, because if you are using Power BI, if you are working on Power BI, you get, there are many data that you can bring into Power BI. You can bring in data from you can bring in data from Excel, you can bring in data from your CSV file, you can bring in data from many places. So one of the places that you can bring data for that will be very easy is from Excel. So once you are working from Excel now, from that Excel, there you are expected to be able to clean data from in Excel. You understand? You're expected to be able to clean data in Excel. You're expected to be able to work on Excel. So they'll teach you every single thing about Excel in the first content. So after that now, after the first content, then you now get into Power BI gongo. You now get into the main Power BI. Let's go back to the main course. So you now get into the main Power BI. So in your week two, I'm coming. In your week two now, you now start learning how to use Power BI. So this one is harnessing the power of data with Power BI. You understand? Then your course three will be extract, perform, load data in Power BI. So using this from this course, you'll be able to do every single thing in Power BI. There they will teach you how to analyze data in Power BI. And after they have teach you how to use Power BI, they'll still teach you how to design, how to create beautiful dashboards. So after you have created the dashboard now, to now make the dashboard look very beautiful. Like I'm working on something, let me show you. Let me check if I can show you. I'm also working on something in my Power BI. So let me show you what it will look like when you start working with Power BI. Let me show you what Power BI looks like. I'm coming. Let me show you what working with Power BI looks like. Coming. So this is what Power, you see this analysis I'm doing. This is the raw data. This is the data. This is the model. This is the model, and this is, I'm currently doing an analysis. You can see how beautiful this looks, abi. This is all created inside Power BI. You understand? So from this data now, that's one of your work as a data analyst too. From this place now, you will now create, and from this thing that is looking very ugly like this, you will now create something this beautiful. You get? From here you can now tell them the insights and you explain everything. All these things we will teach you in class. You understand? You can see what we created. You can see that it's looking very beautiful, abi. So that's one of the things you learn when we start doing the course. So let's move on. Let's continue. So for the I'm coming. So if you have any question, you can just ask me based on what we just explained or anything. If you have any question, you can ask. So the next thing we are going to focus on now is let's go back to our slide. So in our slide, next thing that we have is Microsoft Excel on the web. So you have two options now. Is either you download Microsoft Excel on your laptop, or you can work on Microsoft. You can work on Microsoft. You can still use Excel from the web. You don't necessarily need to download the Excel on your laptop, because the Excel that you will use in the course is Microsoft Excel 365, because they normally release new updates for it every week. Okay, someone asked that, what does cleaning data mean? Okay, so what cleaning data mean is this: when you start working with real life data, you understand, some of the data, for example now, for those of you that submit assignments, let me show you what your assignment is looking like. Look at it now. I'm coming. Let me show you what your assignment is looking like. Let me share my screen. For those of you that have completed your assignment though, let me show you what your submission is looking like. So this is what your submission is looking like. You understand? So data in this form is very, very unclean. You can see that this one is showing I was present for the class. This one is showing yes. This one is showing your email. So from here now, this data is looking very unclean. So what we will do is that from here now, we can now extract informations from this place. For example, this one that is showing Safaradeen Bola Kale. From here, you can extract only his name and leave the Gmail. You understand? So making your data be in the right form. See, please submit your assignment. You see that you are documenting it. So putting your data in the right form for analysis, because like this you cannot analyze it like this. So putting your data in the right form for analysis is called data cleaning. So I think you can continue now. I think I've answered that question. So you can continue with our main content. So from here, I hope I answered your question, Bolu Atife. So from here now, the next thing is to create an account. To create an account, to create a Microsoft account. So to create a Microsoft account, all you need to do is you can just search. Everything is now easy now. You get, everything is easy. I'm coming. Sorry. So to create a Microsoft account, all you need to do is this. I'm coming. Let me share my screen. New tab. So share. Hope you can see my screen now. So to create a new Microsoft account, what you do is you just come here and you type you can just type create a Microsoft account. So you press enter. So from here now, just click the first option that you see. Click the first option that you see. So it is loading. It is loading. So once you come here now, all you can do is you just come here and click this. You see this, sign into your account. You click this like this. Once you click it, so you come here and you can create a new account now. So for you to create an account, is either you use your Gmail, you can use any mail that you have. So let's say use another account. So from here now, you can just type in the email you want to use. So let's say I want to use Shewa Alaba, one of my emails or one of my Gmails. Then you press next. So after you press next, it will take you to a new screen. So from here now, you now enter your password. You understand? Okay, I think I already have an account with this also. So sure you get what I'm saying? I think I already have an account. So you can now enter the password to the account. Just type anything. Sure you get, and you sign in. That's how easy for you to create your account. One thing you know is that if you want to use any Microsoft app easily, you have to have an account with them. So just create an account. To create the account is very easy. Sure you understand? So just create an account with them. So let's say that you have created your account now. So the next thing is to access that your account, because for you to access Excel on the web, you have to have an account. So you now type office.com. So you press enter. So it will take you to a new page. It will take you to a new page. If you have any question, you can ask your questions. So it will take you to a new page. So because I'm already signed in now, you see that it have already signed me in into the account. But let's say that, for example, now I have not let's say for example it's still loading. So let's say that, for example, I don't have an account with them. Once you click that office.com and it takes you to this page, it will tell you to sign in. Can you get me? It will tell you to sign in. Why is this not clicking? So it will tell you to sign in. So after you sign in now, after you sign in, it will now take you to this new page. Hope you get me. It will now take you to this what? To this new page. So after taking you to this page now, from there, you can now do anything that you want to do. Okay, let me sign out so you can see how you can sign in. So once you click the office.com, let me click it again, office.com, and you press enter. This is the page it will take you to. You get me? It will take you to this page. So if you don't have an account, you can easily create an account here. Click this place and you log in. You understand? You can easily log in from here. You get? So after you log in, it will take you back to that page. But I already have an account. So once you have an account with them, and you have already signed in before, all you need to do is just press this sign in button, and it will take you to your Microsoft 365 page. So from this place now, you can now access all their apps. I want to check if you have question. Okay. So from here now, you can now access all their apps. If you click these apps now, you can see that there's OneDrive. So OneDrive is like Google Drive. For those of you that use Google Drive, OneDrive is like Google Drive, and they will give you 5 gig free of charge. You will see Excel here. You will see Microsoft Word here. So all those apps that are supposed to install on your laptop now, you can easily access them online without downloading it. For those of you that are not able to download the new version, or you're not able to get the Microsoft 365 on your laptop, you understand? So you can work with it online without paying. So let's say I want to work with Excel. So you now click Excel. So once you click Excel, it will take you to this page. You get to take you to this page. Once you are on this page now, you can now, let's say that for example, you already have something that you have worked on before. If you have something that you have worked on before, you can click it. Let's say that for this example now, this car sales cargo, this thing. Let's say that this is what I want to open. You click it. So once you click it now, it will load a new page for you. So let me take my screen to that new page because it's not showing here. I'm coming. So let me show that screen. So once you click that, it will take you to this page because I've worked on something before. So this is one of the analysis I've done before. Sure you get. So once you click it now, it will take you to the page. So you can see that you can now access this thing now. This Excel now. I'm not working on Excel app. I'm working for my system. You can see some of the work I've done on this now. You can see it. So you can now, this thing now, I'm working from my system. I'm working from the web, not from, you can see all this that we created. This is called conditional formatting. This is called conditional formatting. You get, this is called conditional formatting. So we'll teach you all these things in class. But I hope you can see what we are doing here now. So that's how it's going to look like. But let's say, for example, you have not, let's say, for example, you have not created any new Excel file. You understand? Let's say, for example, you have not created any new Excel file. So from here now, you can now create a new one. So you just click on blank workbook. So once you click the blank workbook, it will load a new page for you. So once it loads that new page, you understand? From there now, you can now access it. So let me click this new workbook now. So once you click the new workbook, it will start loading. So let me go to that screen. Let me go to the screen of the new workbook. Let me go to the screen of the new workbook. So this is the new workbook I created. So once you click the new workbook in that page, this is where it will take you to just load this new page for you. Sure you get. Immediately you click create blank workbook, it will create a new workbook for you and to take you to this page. So from there now, you can now give it a name. For example, you want to change the name, you can give it a name. You can give it a name, then and you can manipulate it exactly. You can see it. You can just do anything. Let's say, for example, now I want to sum 3 things equal to sum. You get, and you can just sum 1, 2. So all these things are the things you learn in class. So that's 3. You can see it, Abi. So we will teach you how to manipulate all these things in class. So you don't need to worry about all this for now. Sure you get. We just want to teach you how to access the Microsoft Excel from the web without having to store it on your laptop. You get. So I think that's all for the Microsoft Excel. So the next thing that we have here now is I've taught you how to create an account. To create an account is very easy. Then to access the Microsoft Excel, you log into office.com. You understand? You type office.com, you go to it. Then from there, you can just easily access the Microsoft Excel there. You understand? Once you go to the office.com, you need to log in. You need to sign in. So once you have signed in now, you can just see it will take you to a new page. Once you sign in, it will create all the thing by default for you. Your Google Drive will have been created for you by default. Your Google Word will have been created for you by default. So if you want to access it, you just click on the apps and you just work on this. Okay. What did this guy Oyendika Amechi say that can you use a cracked Excel? Yes, you can use it. The only reason why I'm showing you this is in case you don't want to save the Excel on your laptop and you want to work, you understand, you want to work from the web without having to save anything on your laptop, you can easily do that, you get. So you're asking that if you can use a cracked Excel. If you have a cracked Excel on your laptop, good and fine, you can use it, no problem. So another person asks, what about the access code? Please create more context. I mean, what do you mean by access code? Just Fanny Sheung, please just write it, just comment. I don't understand what you mean by access code. So the next thing we are moving to now is Power BI. Power BI. So to download Power BI on your laptop, to download that Power BI on your laptop, there are two ways for you to download Power BI on your laptop. The first way, if you are using what do they call it? If you know that you are using a Windows laptop. So for any Windows laptop, it will come with what we call Microsoft Office or Microsoft Store. So from the Microsoft Store, it's just like Google Store. You can download any Microsoft app from there very easily. You understand? So let's say that, for example, now you want to work on Microsoft Store. Let me share my entire screen so you can see what I'm doing. Let me share my entire screen. So let me share my entire screen. It will be showing like double screen for now, but I don't want to show you something. So once you click this now, if you search Microsoft Store here, Microsoft Store, you understand, and you open it now, this is what Microsoft Store will look like. I'm coming. So this is what Microsoft Store will look like. Sure, you get. This is the Microsoft Store. So for you to get any app, you just need to search. You just need to search. But my Microsoft Store have been acting up recently. That's why I'm giving you the option to download it online. Sure, you get, because I will not be able to show you clearly here. My Microsoft Store is acting up. So what we'll do now is I'll show you how to download the the Microsoft Power BI. I'll show you how to download it online. You get. I'll show you how to download it online. So to download Microsoft Excel online, I say Excel, to download your Power BI online, it is very easy. Please, if you have any question, you can just comment your question. I will answer you. So if you want to download the Power BI online, this is how you go about it. So let me share my screen so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm coming. So I hope you can see my screen now. So if you want to download the Power BI online, so all you have to do is you just do search. You do like this: Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Power BI download for PC. Then you search. So once you search, it will take you to this page. So for you to download the Power BI easily, go to you see this one, Fire Us or File Us. You now click Microsoft Power BI desktop. Then you click it like this. So once you click it, it will take you to this page. It will take you to this page. You can see the page that it will take you to. So from here now, you can see we have Microsoft Power BI 64 bits. You get. So if you are working on a laptop that is not 64 bits, once you search it, your laptop is very brilliant. It will automatically show you 32 bits. You get. So from here, you just click free download. It's as easy as that. Close. So once you click free download, it will take you to this new screen. Once you are on this screen, you now press start download. So it will automatically download it for you on your laptop. It will download it for you. So it will just download it for you. You can see that it is downloading. So I already have the Power BI on my laptop. So once you download it, once you finish downloading the Microsoft Power BI, it will just that thing will just load and it will download Power BI for you on your laptop. So once you have the Power BI on your laptop, to install any app on laptop is very easy. So let me share my screen. So I'll show you how to download an app on laptop. How to if you have finished downloading it now, so for you to now save it on your laptop, let me show you how to save it. Let me show you how to save it. So I'm coming. So I hope you can see my screen. So you go to your file like this. So let's say that for example now you have downloaded the Microsoft Power BI. It will be saved on your laptop, so you can just access it here. Let's say that it has been saved on my laptop now. I don't have Power BI on my laptop here. So what you do is you just come to the, let's say that for example this is your Microsoft Power BI app. It has finished downloading. So for you to save it now, you just right click and you click on run as administrator. So after clicking that, you have an option to, you just click yes. So once you click this yes now, it will just install it for you, very easy. Shey you get, it will just install it for you very easy. So that's how you can get the Microsoft Power BI app on your laptop. I hope you guys are with me. So um what else I want to talk about? So we already know how to download the Excel, you know how to download the Microsoft Power BI. You understand? So in case you are downloading it and you have any problem when you are downloading it, you can just slide into no, don't slide into my DM, please. I don't want message. So you can just drop the message on the group and I'll reply you whenever I see it. So this is how you can install all the apps. So for this our course, we are going to be using Excel and Power BI. And we are going to be using there's what we call Postgres SQL. Shey you get that? That's one of the things we are going to be using. But for now all we need is the Excel and Microsoft Power BI. Those are the two things that you will need for the class. Shey you get me? That's all that we are going to need. So I've taught you how to download it and install. So now it's time for our question and answer. So if you have any question, you can ask me now. It does not have to, the question, it's not necessary that the question must be about this class. You can ask any question about anything that you want to ask now. So please ask your question. Just drop it as a comment. Drop it as a comment. So we have 10 minutes for question and answer, please. So if you have any question, ask your question now. I'm not seeing those questions though. If you have a question, please ask your question now. So no question, right? No question. So okay. Someone is asking that, are we going to be using Python also? So the thing is, this particular course that we are doing, you get, is we are focusing on Microsoft Excel, we are focusing on SQL, and we are focusing on Power BI. Because for you to get any data job, no job for data analysis will tell you to use no job for data analysis will tell you to use Python. Shey you get? If you are getting a data analysis job, what you are going to be required to use in your data analysis job is Power BI, SQL, and Excel. And those are the tools that we are going to teach you in this course. You understand? We are just going to teach you what you are going to need. You can perform an analysis on your you can use Python to perform an analysis, good and fine. But the best place for you to perform your data analysis is using business intelligence tools. And your business intelligence tools are Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and SQL. So those are the tools that we are going to be teaching you in this course. So once you know those tools and you have done real life projects, you can get job anywhere, trust me. SQL, Power BI, Excel is enough to get you any data analysis job. Shey you understand? So if you have another question, Tabitha said that there are questions. So if you have another question, please ask now. Please, yeah, if you have a question, ask now, please. Okay. I said that, can we make use of Power BI without working on Excel? What we are trying to make you a professional here. You understand? You don't need to have Excel for you to be able to manipulate Power BI. But the best practice is that any company that you are going to, we expect you to know how to use Excel, because one of the thing about Power BI is that it's very compatible with Microsoft Excel. Shey you understand? So let's say that you want to do what we call in-depth analysis, because when you're working on Power BI, most of the things you'll be creating are going to be visuals. But there are some cases whereby you will need in-depth analysis. So for in-depth analysis, you are going to use Excel. You understand? So please, we are going to teach you how to use Excel and Power BI. So you need to know how to use Excel too, please. But you can actually work on Power BI without using Excel. Power BI is standing on its own. It does not need Excel to work. But we are going to be teaching you the both of them. And what if I want to advise you, please know both of them. So Chinedu Nwankwo asked that which is more advisable, to download from MX Store or online. If I want to advise you, please download from MX Store, because I also got my own from MS Store. The Microsoft Power BI I'm using, I got it from MS Store. The reason why I'm teaching you how to download it online is because my MS Store is having issues. You understand? That's why I thought you have to download it online. So in case you are trying to download it from MS Store and it is not working, then you cannot download it online. But the best way to download it is from MS Store, because it is a Microsoft app, and nobody they will not like Microsoft Power BI is free. You understand? Microsoft Power BI is free. You understand? So if you want to download it, I will advise you to download it from the store. So any more question, please? If you have any question, ask now, please. If you have any question, ask now. Any other question? Okay. Someone asked, to download Power BI is showing Power BI and Power BI desktop. Which one should I go for? See the thing here. One thing about Power BI is this. When we start doing the course, I will explain better. Power BI has three services. We have Power BI service, we have Power BI desktop, and we have Power BI app. So each of them have their own use. So Power BI desktop now is where you are going to be doing most of your work. You understand? Any work you are doing in Power BI, you are going to do it from a Power BI desktop. But the work of Power BI service now is that you know that most of the dashboard you'll be creating, you will have to send it online for people to see it. So that's the work of Power BI service. Power BI service is a place whereby you can publish your dashboard for others to see. You understand? And Power BI app now is for phones, is for mobile phones. So for example, now let's say that you are working, you are in your, but you cannot create a dashboard from a phone. Sure you get. The only essence of that phone is for people that if you are working, if you are doing you are having a business meeting with your executives in your company, that your future company, you get. So the essence of the phone is, if you are presenting the Power BI dashboard online, what they will do is, them now on their phone, they can be going through the Power BI from their own phone. They can access it from their phone. That is the essence of, that's the work of Power BI app. So what I'm going to tell you is that if you want to download, what you are going to download is Power BI desktop, not Power BI. You get, it's Power BI desktop you are downloading. So if you have any other question, you can ask now, please. So someone asked that there is okay, this is not a question. They said that there is Power BI report builder too. My question is, which one should we download? Because there are three options on the store. Please download Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop is what you are going to download. So any other question? If you have a question, you can ask now, please. So I want to say something. No, I want to say something. What I'm going to tell you is, this our course. We are trying to build you and make you a professional. I don't know if any of you checked what I sent to the group. That was a work, that thing I sent to the group now. It was a work I did for a client. The client is not even in Nigeria. That you see, that diabetes app that I created, it's for a client. The client is not even in Nigeria. Sure you get. It is an MSc project that I did for someone. But what I did is, because I want to use the project as a portfolio project, I created two apps. I gave the client one app, and I used one app for my portfolio. Sure you get. So what we are trying to do here, we are trying to make you a professional. So please, I want you to be serious with this program. You get. I don't want you to see us as some guys that don't know what they are doing. We are here to make a change, and we are here to build lives. Sure you get. So please allow us to make that change. Allow us to make that impact in you. If you give your assignment, please submit, because You can see now I sent an Excel file to the group that day. And what that Excel file is going to contain is it's going to be containing your details. For example, now if you give your assignment now, every assignment will be graded. You understand? So this first month that we are doing, this first month is called constructive month. This is a month whereby we are going to check your seriousness with the program, and we are going to grade you. So after the whole first month now, we will grade it and we will have an aggregate. So if you are not up to 75%, you will be dropped off from the main course. You will still get your financial aid o, but all the benefits that you are going to get from us, you will not get it. Like when you have a problem with the course that you can come and meet us to ask questions, you won't get all those things again. So please, if you don't want us to drop you off, please, if you are giving you assignment, submit. If you are doing live session, attend. You get me? Please, please and please. We are putting our time, our data, every single thing into this. Please make our time worth it. You understand? So for the first assignment that I posted on the group, that you are going to create a LinkedIn file and this thing. We are grading that assignment o, and we are grading it over 100. If you did not submit, you are getting 0. Shey you get? So let's say that for example now we are for the first week now we have, for the first month, let's say that we have 5 assignments in that first month, and you have already missed the first assignment and you already get 0 in the first assignment. Even if you get 100 in the remaining divided by 4, that's 75. So I hope you guys can hear me. So if you are with us, please be with us completely, please. If you are giving assignment, please submit. You get me? Please submit your assignment and make sure that we are here to just build you and make you better, please. So anything that we tell you to do, please do it. We are doing all these things for your benefit. You get me? So we are going to grade all those assignments. The first assignment is over 100. The second assignment is the that technology class that we did. The technology class that we did, that we told you the importance of technology and how to solve a particular problem in your society using technology. That's the second assignment. So the Google form, we stop accepting we stop accepting response from today. So we will now send in a new Google form now for the second assignment, and that one you are supposed to submit by Monday. So this is the third class. So this our class now. The attendance is for those of you that you are seeing the link. Please kindly click that attendance link now and put your name there, so you get your 30 marks. Then you have to create a LinkedIn post about it too. You have to create a LinkedIn post about today's class, post it on LinkedIn, and I will send you a Google form link again that you used to submit your third assignment. So everything is being graded, so please be serious, so we will not drop you off. So that being said, if you have any other question about today's class, please ask now. Let's just take at least 3 more questions now. If you have any other question, please ask now before we end the class. Please, if you have any other question, please ask now before we end the class, please. Okay, someone asked that is it advisable to use Excel in the web or app? You can use Excel in the web and you can use it on the app. Anyone that works for you is fine by me. Anyone that you like is fine by me. You understand? So I will send you the attendance link again. Sorry. I will send it again. This is the attendance. This is the attendance. I will send it again. So I've commented it. So you can use the web, and you can use the web and you can use the app. So anyone that you like. But the benefit of the app is that once you are using the app, you easily get updates. You understand? You easily get updates. Any new thing that you can easily get updates. Sure, you get me? So any new thing that is done on your this thing, any new thing that is done on your Excel, on the Excel, because they are always releasing new functions, they are always increasing, they are always improving Excel. So any improvement that is done on Excel will always be showing in the web code. Shey you get? So you can either use the web or the app. Anyone that works for you is fine by me. Because personally, I normally use the app. I don't use the web. The only reason why I'm showing you how to use the web is for those people that will not be able to get the Excel on their laptop, or for those people that the Excel on their laptop will be not as some of you. Your Excel is Excel 2014 or Excel 2020, 2010. So that Excel now will not have many functions that you'll be seeing in the course. So that's why I prefer that you use the you get that you use the Excel on the web. But you can use either. You can use anyone that you like. So someone asked that, can we use Power BI offline? Power BI is, you are going to use Power BI offline. No, Power BI is not online. Power BI is offline. So once you download the Power BI desktop on your laptop now, you get, if you download it on your laptop, then you work on the Power BI offline. Then you can now upload it to the Power BI service. But typically, Power BI is going to be accessed from your laptop, not the web. Shey you get? So someone asked that, can we start the Excel online now? Please, master respect, please, you can ask that question again. I don't understand what you said. Please ask the question again. So any other question? Any other question? Please, if you have a question, you can ask. So make sure you are submitting your at ten dance o, and no go and send the at ten dance. I know this class is showing, I think the highest we've had here is 30 people at ten ding. So if I'm seeing more than 30 in the at ten dance, all of you might lose your mark. So please don't send the Google form to the group. Just put your at ten dance, just sign in, just comment and put your name, fill the Google form, and that's all. Don't send it to the group. I'm begging you, please. So someone is asking a question, can it be used on the phone? Yeah, you will not be able to use it on the phone. You can only use it on the web. You can only use it on the web. Sorry, you can only use it on your laptop. Sorry, you can't access it from your phone, please. You can use it from your phone, no, but it will not be easy. It will be stressful. You get, to be very very stressful. So if I want to advise you, use it from use it on your laptop. If you have a laptop, that's fine. So you get. And one thing I'll tell you is, we are going to be recording all your mark and everything, and we are counting it. So at the end of the program now, those people that have the high scores, like for example now, once we finish grading you, we will now select the first from each tech track. Now we will select the top 5. So the top 5 from each tech track, we will still mentor you after finishing your program, so that we can give you advice on how to get jobs. We can even refer you for jobs, you get. So the top 5 students will still get mentorship after the program. So please be serious, so you be among the top 5. You get, you be among the top 5. So please, if you have any other question, you can ask before we end the live session. Any other question? Okay. Someone is asking that the online account on Excel. Okay, for the online account, you can create it now. You can create it now. You don't have to wait for the class to start. All this thing I'm teaching you how to do now, I'm teaching you now so you can get it now. So when we start the course now, you don't have to be asking me that, how will I download Power BI? That's the essence of this class. So all the things that we taught you in this class now, please go and download them. The Microsoft Excel for the web, go and try it today. The Power BI, try to download it today, so you have everything on your laptop. So when we start the main class now, you will not be asking me that, "Sir, what app are we using?" You will already have everything on your laptop, and you'll be ready for the class. So please, immediately we finish this class, go and try to download all those stuff on your laptop. And for this our class, so someone is saying that I'm unable to edit the at ten dance. Let me check whether it is working, please. I'm sorry. Someone said I'm unable to edit the at ten dance. So the at ten dance is working very fine. So I think it's from your laptop, or maybe service. The at ten dance link is working very fine. So any other question? Okay, since you don't have any question, if you have any other question, if you attended the class, you can drop the question on the group. You understand? If you have another question. So I want to thank you for attending. I'm thanking you for being part of Tema Foundation. And if you enjoyed today's class and you learned something, please, just anything that you learn on it, post it on your LinkedIn page, tag Tema Foundation and tag me. Connect with me on LinkedIn o. So in case if you connect with me, I can recommend you on LinkedIn. You get, just connect with me on LinkedIn and tag me on the post. You get. So I want to thank you for your time and for attending this class. I think that's the end of the class. So you can leave now. I want to play music small. So for those of you that want to dance, you can dance. So let me play music for you.
Remember back then, for Barika, me and my chica, they chill with the Sakpa. And Bukata, for the matter. Eruku Pogon for the Sanga. Now the music, now you give me liberty. Call it freedom, I do fuck life, we walk on down. And I go chop till the kingdom come. I do pay do mare, I do pay for all over. Now you give me the package, so make nobody come de buga. When I do titikati, they dancing, they josie. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Call you. Mi kiolo, amor a casa amigos, ayer oncolos, no jello, jello, no jello, story, hello, been on the bench, I've been waiting for Lua to come activate me. I'm my boy London, biggie man, I wish you mommy can't see me now. Bye lady, oh I'm in now. They won't call me Mutumina. I do baby do my now you give me the package. Nobody gon' dey buga. When I do the gatti, they can dance on Josie. Oh no. Bami Korio, Bami Kiolo, Amor a casa amigos, ayer oncolos, no jello.
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you. I'm a sexy you, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up me, you understand?
TrendySongs.com.
Girls in my crib, 0 Snapchat, 0 Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my dick start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's nothing. Chop my banana, one side I lie, then no stopping. Push up, fuck that. Meu vai Colorado. Breakfast on fire. Meu daily mood come. As well champagne in my mood. I get a girl from the ghetto. Cat girls from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, get Dama. Oh yeah, get Jello. Oh yeah, get oh yeah, get Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start to the paragon. Start to the halagon. Cause you know say my people they calagon. Oguno, my power. As I hating on us, make we manyamo.